I'm going to run this up and then back down, or at least part ways, then we'll do a little walk around. Stop it right there and then turn on the pump. So the hose is heated as well, and I've got it run over here. It's not pumping because there's no longer anything in it. Some sort of glue was being run through. So it heats up throughout the whole hose, so you can still, you have to pump whatever you want to run through to pump out the rest of what's in there. But you can see on the bottom here, I scraped off the far side so that most of the drops are gone, but you can still see over here on the near side there's still hot glue dripping down what was left over. It's a barrel that we took off. So that is where it's at. There's a button here for the drum removal, and that valve, this small valve on the top here, seems to work, but this one doesn't let any air through, so that's something that would need to be addressed. And none of the controls for the end of the hose are on there either. Just the inside of the cabinet. It's a little loose button here. These are shut off. As soon as they turn on, it faults out on the high temp alarm, because these three are not being used, and I'm not sure what they're for. I mean, they're labeled gun aux 1 and 2 and dispense hose 2. So this, as far as I can tell, it was part of a larger system, because here you have a hose that's not plugged in, and then you got these caps here where you have other hoses that can be plugged in. So the bones of it's still here and working well. Drop this down, look at the pump real close here. It's a Bulldog Graco, and look up here on the top, there's a serial tag. So that's about the sum of it. Works, but this needs to be addressed for the drum removal, and then there's no tip on the hose, and this works. I don't know if it's hooked up, but you turn it on and off. It's broken here for the batteries, so yeah, like I said, it was part of a bigger system, I believe. So something to take into consideration.